Hello, fan collectors. Braxton Vintage Fan Man here, and today we have we're back with this Windward Tat, and I decided I replaced the top bearing because that was probably the loudest. Actually, I replaced one of the bearings in this thing, and it's now pretty silent. And that was actually the culprit of all the noise that it had. Bottom bearing has not been replaced yet, but I think this is good enough considering it doesn't make that much noise anymore. It makes barely any noise at this point. So, yeah, it's on a variable speed wall control, which I'm not going to bother showing, but I will. Yeah. Let's put this thing on low. It just stalled out, okay. Inching it up. The new bearing is stiff because it's a brand new bearing, so makes sense. As you may notice, the scuffs on the motor. That's from me basically trying to get the thing open, but yeah, I was able to get it working still, or get it back together. Although a screw strip, so I had to drill that out, which was fun. But that actually went successful, so yeah. That was fun. Now, quarter turn there. Yeah, still in the workshop because it's a really good runner for the workshop. Does its job, so it does what I need it to do. So, yay! All right, another quarter turn. It's high right there, so it's a medium high. And time for full blast. Runs pretty much better than ever. Still gotta repaint the motor though. That's the only thing, is I need to repaint the scuffs. Considering I had to pry it off, so which is always a pain. But luckily I didn't break any windings, so during that process, well, we're good. And spin down. That's another video. Unless I already have it on my channel. But yeah, if I already have it on my channel, I'll do a remake in it regardless. Need some air moving back here. Not gonna bother with 0 to high tonight. So yeah. Fan the testing rig is a sneak peek as to National Ceiling Fan Day. May recognize that Harbor Breeze. So, in case you guys were wondering, that's Harbor Breeze. I'm not going to say the model name because that's a surprise for National Ceiling Fan Day. Actually, in fact, I still got the light kit for it. Boom. You'll see what's up in its place upstairs and on National Ceiling Fan Day. So that's a while from now. Well, the bearings are better than I thought, though. I wonder why it stalled out then. Yeah, that's definitely bad bearings, the way it stopped. But that's... Actually, screw it. I'm giving 0 to high. I'm going to leave it run on high because I need to let the bearings free up. Well, hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, have a great day, folks, and peace.